Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can enable voice chat in Roblox. So you're going to sign into your Roblox account and then you're going to head over to more. Then you're going to head over to settings and here you're going to head over to account information. In this prompt, type in your phone number and then down at the bottom click on continue. Next we need to provide a one-time code that's been emailed to this email address that you have associated with your Roblox account, and then they will also text you a code to your phone number that you need to enter down below. Enter that code, and if you're done, click on continue. Lastly, you can also decide whether friends can find you based on your phone number above. You can either select yes or no and then click on depth, and just like that, the phone number has now been verified. Now that you verified your phone number, you can start using chat on Roblox. However, if you don't have a phone number to verify, you can also verify your age by clicking this button here. This button here, you'll need to prepare a valid ID. Once you have grabbed your smartphone or PC or where you are logging in, you'll need to scan QR code on the screen down at the bottom. You will have a large list of lots of different countries. And next, you'll need to provide a photo of your ID. Take a photo and click on the icon that allow this website to use your camera. Once this is done, you will head over to privacy and content, and then you will head over to content maturity, and the voice enabling option will arrive here as soon as you verify your age and your ID. I hope you found this content useful, and I'll see you in the next video.